So here we are. Let's discuss the query function of the agent. Let's go where query right here. So what it is doing when you open the chat box, there are like some default question. Let me go and show you. So these are the questions that are regarding the schema and tables. So when there are questions only regarding the schema, it just takes those questions right here and then displays the result, sends the number of tables and the result that are being asked. But if you just write your own custom query, then we create it goes here, and then this is the LLM request that generates the SQL query from the prompt. You can change the rule. These are the rule I set here. Output only SQL query, nothing else, only the select statement and all and so on, depending on what you want to do. So this is the prompt that you create and you send the message. You format it this way, and then you invoke the LLM and strip and you clean up the content that's coming from, and then you generate the query. Here are sort of some functions to clean up the query, the single quotes, so that we use double quotes or single quotes, and so we use the standard code so it doesn't break our query. When our query is ready, and then we check if it is a select statement, so maybe make sure that it only runs on select statement, it doesn't do any update or delete. So we have to check that. If you want to delete and stuff, then you have to change this part of the code. And when the query is ready, then we execute the SQL, and once we have the result, then we send the result and the summary that is shown on the right side of the panel in the front end. So that is the crux of that's the whole thing. That's if you just have to modify and understand this part of the function and the query. You can modify it as you want and you can use it. All the details will be in the file. I hope you understand. If you have any question, please let me know. I will come back and answer, or maybe go line by line to make you understand. But I said it's not a tutorial on Python or LLM. It's a tutorial to generate this app to chat with it, to chat with the database.